on a hot day like today, it's a good idea to protect your kids as well as the elderly. We will talk about that and have your weather forecast next.
And
well,
close to that.
Good of her to get up and talk about that.
Yeah.
Alyssa Carlson keeping her cool tonight. She's at Dewar's.
Lucky
I'd like
girl.
to switch places with you right now.
It's so tasty too. I had that red and white earlier, but we're moving on to the next. And of course, a lot of folks in here today trying to keep cool, beat the heat. It's always a good idea to protect your kids, and a lot of kids in here today seeking shelter from the heat as well. What'd you have?
Cereal.
Oh, she had strawberry. Was it good?
Yeah.
All right. Good stuff there. And of course, other things to remember, make sure that you don't spend a lot of time outdoors, drink plenty of fluids. And a lot of these tips are just common sense, but since this is the hottest day we've had so far, and it seems like summer just kind of crept up on us, you want to make sure that you do take it a little easier the next couple of days, because it is certainly hot outside and it's going to continue to be hot again tomorrow. Let's take a look at the forecast for tomorrow. If you are traveling up and down the state, we're still looking at temperatures that will be in the triple digits in the valley areas, and it's going to be a little bit of a relief here along the coastline. 79 in LA. We'll be at 64 at Pismo, 59 in Morro Bay, and then still Sacramento 99, Las Vegas almost 110. Currently 105. We've been at this temperature for the past 2 hours, looking at a higher dew point of 56 and humidity at 19%. Winds out of the west-northwest at 10. Just a little bit of a light breeze. Barometric pressure holding steady. And as that high continues to rotate and shift to the east, we're seeing the winds out of the southeast locking into some of that moisture coming up from Mexico. Some of that from Tropical Storm Alex. And Alex, by the way, will most likely become a hurricane again in the open waters of the Gulf and make landfall Wednesday afternoon in northeast Texas, or northeast Mexico, excuse me, and then south Texas. Looking here locally, though, at just dry conditions. Overall, just another hot day tomorrow before we see a trough work in. Unhealthy air quality, 151. Here's your forecast, and we'll see temperatures tonight only at 77. Well, I shouldn't say only. That's the lowest we're going to go. 77. 102 in Bakersfield tomorrow, 105 in Arvin. Triple digits all around the valley, 102 in Shafter, 103 in Wasco, and temperatures and in the lower 100s from Taft over towards Maricopa. In the mountains, still an opportunity for a few clouds banking up there, and temperatures will be around 89 in Lebec, 91 in Pine Mountain Club. Here's your forecast, and into Tehachapi. Readings will be around 91 in Stallion Springs. Kern River Valley also looking for another hot day, almost 100 today. We'll be at 102 in Lake Isabella tomorrow. Wofford Heights coming in at 100, Glenville 96. Here's your pinpoint forecast for the desert, looking for 108 in Ridgecrest, and Mojave also on the hot side. So 102 tomorrow, still looking at a hot day in the valley, in the Kern River Valley. 98 with the trough as we head into Tuesday, 94 by Wednesday, and then we'll be into the lower 90s and mid-90s as we head in the rest of the week. Mountains will be in the lower 80s, overnight lows in the 50s, and in the Kern River Valley, maybe an afternoon thunderstorm, and temperatures there will be in the triple digits tomorrow, 90s. Pinpoint or the weather snapshot for the rest of tonight, it looks like this. Heidi Phillips Carlton sending this one in from Lake BV. Cool sunset shot there. Thank you, Heidi. Love that shot. Your weather snapshots at KGT.com, and there's the address on your screen. Yes, lakes, rivers, you name it, anything to keep cool, right, Jim and Robin?
Whatever works.
Yes.
Just waiting for my malt. I'll pay you back.
You know, you do work the 11 now, so I guess I do have to bring it back, huh?
Yeah, I got the money right here in my hot little hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Alyssa.
All right, bye.